this money OT, I'm coming right back when I'm done. Stack it all up, cop the oxys by the tons. I ain't trying to spend my life in the slums, I'm trying to make it out, so I hustle real hard to buy big cribs, new clothes, and nice cars. I just got a call about a bag I always wanted. Now I straight to Somerset to get that bag you always wanted. Burberry, Gucci, Louis, Prada, girl, name it. It's nice to have a real nigga by your side, ain't it? Yeah, niggas talk money, but they only maintain it. I talk it cause I live it, baby, I ain't even famous. But listen, little mama, when I'm out here on the road, doing shows, buying bows, selling O's, I want you to always know you a real bitch and I'm a real nigga. We keep it 100, haters can't fuck with us, for real.
The setup, buy you bags and match your sweaters, Louis belts to match the checkers, Bessie and juicy necklace for the days you never let up. You can call me for whatever. Even though I'm getting cheddar, you was there when I was broke. You know I lived a fast life, but you was there while it was slow. Girl, you helped me plant the seeds and you was there to watch it grow. I swear I want this shit forever. I'm just here to let you know. One thing for sure, two things for certain. You helped me when I was hurting. You was bagging, I was serving, but it felt like it was perfect. Swear I never meant to hurt you, man. I hate to see your tears. You was talking to your friends like I'm straight on him for real, but at the end of the day, I still gotta get this money. Even when we ain't together, you gon' always be my woman. Even when the bag stop for you, I'll always keep it coming. From the bottom of my heart, keep it 100, for real.
Trying to make it last, I ain't trying to hurt your feelings, I ain't nothing like it last. Making love to the money, but be fucking with the cash. Stack it up until it's sunny, you be fucking up the bag. Don't give a fuck about your past, fuck about your man. Expose you to real, and fuck up all your plans. Tighten up your circle, hope you nothing like your friends. You can spend what you like, it ain't nothing but some bands. And I know you think I'm playing, probably think I'm boosted. If I settle for less, you would probably think I'm stupid. If I say it, then I mean it, girl, I'm just being truthful. Let the past be the past and let's plan for your future. Last time you caught me cheating, I thought that you was gone. Just the thought of you leaving hurt in my soul. But let a dog roam, he'll find his way home. And I swear I really mean it, every word in this song.